Hear that? The first sound is you wasting your afternoon. The second is what happens when you have the right tool. This fall, we unleashed the top cordless leaf blowers on a mountain of wet leaves, heavy debris, and the toughest yard cleanups we could find. The power differences were absolutely staggering. One model cleared my entire driveway on a single battery, while a popular brand barely moved a pile. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Let's clear the air and find your yard's new hero. Starting at number 1. Makita LXT Cordless Leaf Blower Kit. Best overall. We chose the Makita XBU03SM1 Cordless Blower Kit as our overall best pick because it offers a lot of power and convenient features in a lightweight and easy-to-maneuver unit. Many leaf blowers are either lightweight or powerful, but this one manages to be both. We found that it was easy to assemble, there were only 2 pieces to put together, and the kit came with a tool for the screws. We liked that this blower gave us control over the power level, thanks to a variable speed trigger control that allows you to choose the amount of power you need. In addition, a cruise control button lets you set a certain speed without needing to keep the trigger pulled down. When operating the blower, we found it easy to hold the blower with one hand and adjust the power controls with the other hand. We liked that we didn't have to bend over at all to move leaves efficiently. The manufacturer says it moves leaves in areas up to 15 feet in size. However, the round shape of the blower tube didn't give us as much precise control over where the leaves ended up. Weighing only 6.5 pounds, this blower will be easy for most people to carry around. The battery is only 18 volts, which limits runtime and power to some extent, but the blower's air speed is impressive enough for most jobs, up to 116 miles per hour, and the airflow capacity can reach up to 459 CFM. Number 2. Black+Decker 40V Cordless Leaf Blower. Best lightweight. If you're looking for a leaf blower that's easy to carry for small jobs, the Black+Decker 40V Cordless Leaf Blower is the best cordless leaf blower for you. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's easy to handle. In fact, we were able to maneuver it with only one hand. If we did get tired, we could easily turn it off for a few seconds thanks to the conveniently located controls and on-off switch. Although it's not the most powerful, it has a power capacity of 85 CFM, it works well to blow leaves, grass clippings, and small debris. It can handle wet leaves, but it doesn't blow them as far as dry debris. We were pleasantly surprised at its battery life. It lasted about an hour, which is the longest runtime out of any of the best cordless leaf blowers on our list. We didn't notice any decline in power during the 3 months of long-term testing the unit at home either. There is a vacuum feature, which wasn't as effective on leaves as we would have liked. That said, we did end up using it fairly frequently as a replacement for a shop vac in the garage, as the vacuum did a nice job of cleaning dirt and debris from corners and doormats. The leaf blower is one of the more affordable options we tested, but you don't get as many bells and whistles compared to other models. While it does have variable speed settings, we didn't find much use for the lower power option since the unit wasn't the strongest, even on high. Number 3. Greenworks Pro Cordless Backpack Leaf Blower. Best backpack. If you have a big yard and a lot of leaves to tackle, a backpack model might be the best cordless leaf blower for you. These larger units can offer more power, but they're still easy to handle since you can strap them on your back for extra support. The Greenworks Pro Cordless Backpack Leaf Blower unit works well for yards up to 1 acre. With impressive speeds up to 180 miles per hour and an airflow capacity of up to 610 CFM, it can easily tackle all your leaves, even wet ones. At first, we found it a little unwieldy to put on. At just under 15 pounds, it's bigger and heavier than handheld models. Once we had it on though, we thought the powerful backpack blower made yard work more enjoyable. The blower spout is long, which is convenient for reaching leaves. Thanks to a variable speed trigger control, this model gave us plenty of control over power levels, which we appreciated. You can also set the cruise control button so you don't have to continuously hold down the trigger, and you can use the turbo button for a burst of extra power. We also like that the battery charged more quickly than many. It only took 45 minutes to fully recharge with the rapid charger included with the leaf blower. Number 4. Worx Cordless Leaf Blower. Best battery life. Powerful but lightweight, the Worx WG584 Cordless Leaf Blower is a great choice for those with large yards that have a lot of leaves in the fall. It weighs 7.3 pounds, and we found that it was easy to carry around the yard for an extended period of time. It's designed to be used with only one hand, and we found this to be true. The blower features a brushless motor, which provides longer run times and more power than standard brushed motors. You can choose from 3 different speeds, and it can run for up to 28 minutes on the lowest speed. We were able to use the lower setting to clear leaves in most conditions, and it even worked well on wet leaves, although the wet leaves did take longer to clear. If you do need extra power for a specific task, the leaf blower includes a turbo button for a burst of extra power, 430 CFM, when needed. To help you keep track of how much charge is left, there's a battery power indicator light that you can see while you're working. Considering the amount of power you can get from the blower, we found the noise level to be reasonable. Number 5. Greenworks 40V Cordless Brushless Leaf Blower/Vacuum. Best with vacuum. The Greenworks 40V Cordless Brushless Leaf Blower/Vacuum is one of the best cordless leaf blowers in terms of versatility, which will come in handy if you have limited storage space and want a product that can tackle more than one chore. In addition to operating as a leaf blower, it can also be used to mulch and vacuum up your leaves. The leaf blower/vacuum is quick to set up, and it's simple to switch between the blower and vacuum when needed. Several helpful features ensure it's convenient and easy to use. For example, it has a variable speed dial with 6 different speed settings, as well as a turbo button for maximum power when you need it. A cruise control button lets you run it at a set speed without needing to hold down a button. When operating it as a vacuum, the leaf collection bag holds up to 17 gallons of material, allowing you to clear a large area before you need to empty the bag, especially since it has a 12:1 mulching ratio to help compact those leaves. And just like that, you can turn the most dreaded chore into a 5-minute victory lap. So, which of these powerhouses is going to save your weekends this fall? Let me know your pick in the comments. If this review helped you conquer your yard without the hassle of gas or cords, please show your support by liking this video, sharing it with a neighbor, and subscribe for more reviews that make yard work easy. Now, go enjoy your clean lawn.